Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Is this a great day or what?
Yes.
That says it all right there. My name's Judy Weiss. I'm honored to be the new Parks and Recreation Director for Coconino County, and I've been here for 4 months and am humbled today to be before you, not as anyone who had anything to do with acquiring this beautiful property, but one that's entrusted and honored to be entrusted with its future. So I'm happy to welcome you all here today to the dedication of Rogers Lake.
Mine might take a little bit longer. Actually, just one of the sheer pleasures in this job is to work with the many elements and the people that are the composition of those elements. And you know, as we grow and learn, and hopefully we learn, there are many people, many elements that make up our communities. And I had to go through my teen years and my years of purism to come to levels of realism. But in working as a community, there are many elements out there, and our greatest successes come from compromising, working together, and coordinating together. So this is a big part of a compromise in many ways, and there are many partners that we've developed over time. We haven't always agreed with each other, and actually we're starting to agree with each other quite a bit. So that, you know, we might bring in a new partner pretty soon, so we can have some more disagreements out there. Yeah. That's it's amazing. People tend to think in similar ways, but are very passionate about what they think about.
At that time, the board was Tom Chabin, Paul Babbitt, Louise Yellowman, Matt Ryan, and I was on the board as well. And so really want to thank them. And that's, as you know, several years ago. It takes a lot of time to accomplish big projects like this. And so we want to thank them for having the vision and the foresight to do that. And I also want to especially thank Matt. And I think it was appropriate that he gave us the history of the project. This really was his love. This was his baby project, and he, you know, brought it to our attention along with a lot of members of the community. And his love and passion for it became our love and passion for Rogers Lake. And so I really want to thank and recognize Matt.